Owning a home with defective water supply pipes is costly and stressful. If your family lives in a home with defective water piping such as polybutylene, corroded copper, or galvanized pipe, you should consider a whole house replumb by Plumbing Express. With our Replumb, you can rest assured the pipes in your walls and ceilings are going to last. We install premium pipe, fittings, and valves made in the USA. Our pipe comes with a 30-year warranty. Our turnkey service includes fantastic sheetrock repair, paint match, and texture match. Most home replumbs take between 2 and 4 days to complete, so there is no reason the family needs to leave while we work. Plumbing Express works on homes throughout the state of Georgia, including Greater Metro Atlanta, North Georgia, Central Georgia, and even South Georgia. So call us today at 404-236-6535 to discuss your home and set up a free on-site inspection and quote.